Welcome back to Initial Speed. I was getting started on this video that you're about to watch and figured I'd give you guys a little bit of context. It's a little difficult for me, so please bear with me. Oh man, where do I start? You have probably noticed that I haven't been on the channel for a little while, and it's because we're dealing with some family things. So, yeah. We lost our son in 2013, and recently we've lost our daughter. Our little baby daughter. Well, I have been internalizing it. What has happened is, it physically happens to a woman, so she deals with it. She has no other choice. Whereas for a guy, we're always taught to swallow it, take care of our lady, make sure, that she's okay. In any case, with the way the world was, or is currently, we didn't go away, we didn't travel, we didn't do... Well, we did that little travel, that little trip that you guys saw a little while back, but we decided we needed to get away. So, my wife has always wanted to go to Vegas. My sister lives in Nevada, so we figured we would take a trip. And this is what you are about to see. I hope you enjoy it, and if you've been to Vegas, write down below what you guys did, where you went, what you saw. Let us know. We are contemplating going back out that way, possibly. It is a tough pill to swallow when you lose one child, but when you lose two, it's very difficult. Yeah, I may get into more later, but for right now, I think that's all that I'm going to share with you. Make sure you hug your little ones, you love them. Make sure they know that you love them. 'Cause you never know. You never know. Anyhow, enjoy. When we got there, it was about 11:30 at night. We decided, okay, we're tired, but we're gonna go explore Old Vegas, because we stayed at Old Vegas, not new. And wow, we'd never been in. I can't tell you how many times I said wow. For real. Anyhow, enjoy.
My last name's Mala, M-A-L-A. If you want to find me on any social media, at Trez Mala, all across the board. Facebook, kind of spotty. I just got back off a 30-day ban, so just watch out. If you are easily offended, I am not the guy, so don't follow me by any means. You know, and if you like this strong language and content and social commentary, then you follow me. I just want to let you know I'm on a couple government watch lists too. All right? They're following me, they're following you. And you're about to find out you guys are on a damn conspiracy tour. You're gonna be blown away when you find out Bigfoots and little green men built that thing. And I got the documents too, microfilm. No one's deep research like me. All right. But here's the thing. The reason why I go by Trevor, I don't go by Trez, no one ever remembers my name. You know, and it happens all the time. Even when I have my badge, I have my name badge, I'll be like, hey, how you doing? I'm Trevor. People are like, oh, it's nice to meet you, Kevin. No, I'm sorry. I think you misheard me. I said Trevor. Well, whatever, Travis. You know, been called Cletus before. From Trevor. Cletus. And it happened in front of my wife, and she looked at me and she's like, what the hell? And I was like, dude, how did this guy come up with Cletus when most guys can't even find a damn Cletus? No, Raider Stadium is a beautiful place, $1.9 billion stadium, and it's the home of the Raiders. Around everybody on the right, you are underneath it, and you can see the beautiful emerald green waters of the Colorado River down there, and then we have the largest concrete arch compression bridge in the Western Hemisphere, all up close and personal.
So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Hoover Dam Power Plant. The power plant is a concrete horseshoe-shaped building down at the base of the dam.
Initial speed. Out. So you'll never guess what happened.